How to Write and Publish a Scientific Paper. 8th edition, Barbara Gastel and Robert A. Day. Part 1. Some preliminaries. 1. What is scientific writing? 3. The scope of scientific writing. 3. The need for clarity. 4. Receiving the signals. 5. Understanding the signals. 5. Understanding the context. 5. Organization and language in scientific writing. 5. 2. Historical perspectives. 6. The early history. 6. The electronic era. 7. The IMRAD story. 8. 3. Approaching a writing project. 11. Establishing the mindset. 11. Preparing to write. 12. Doing the writing. 14. Revising your work. 16. 4. What is a scientific paper? 18. Definition of a scientific paper. 18. Organization of a scientific paper. 20. Shape of a scientific paper. 22. Other definitions. 22. 5. Ethics in scientific publishing. 24. Ethics as a foundation. 24. Authenticity and accuracy. 24. Originality. 25. Credit. 26. Ethical treatment of humans and animals. 27. Disclosure of conflicts of interest. 28. 6. Where to submit your manuscript. 29. Why decide early? Why decide well? 29. Prestige and impact. 31. Access. 34. Avoiding predatory journals. 34. Other factors to consider. 35. Using instructions to authors. 36. Part 2. Preparing the text. 7. How to prepare the title. 41. Importance of the title. 41. Length of the title. 42. Need for specific titles. 42. Importance of syntax. 42. The title as a label. 44. Abbreviations and jargon. 44. More about title format. 45. 8. How to list the authors and addresses. 47. The order of the names. 47. Definition of authorship. 49. Defining the order. An example. 50. Specifying contributions. 51. Proper and consistent form. 51. Listing the addresses. 52. A solution. Orchid. 53. Purposes of the addresses. 54. 9. How to prepare the abstract. 55. Definition. 55. Types of abstracts. 57. Economy of words. 59. Akin to abstracts. 60. 10. How to write the introduction. 61. Guidelines. 61. Reasons for the guidelines. 62. Exceptions. 63. Citations and abbreviations. 65. 11. How to write the materials and methods. 66. Purpose of the section. 66. Materials. 67. Methods. 68. Headings. 68. Measurements and analysis. 68. Need for references. 69. Tables and figures. 69. Correct form and grammar. 70. 12. How to write the results. 72. Content of the results. 72. How to handle numbers. 73. Strive for clarity. 73. Avoid redundancy. 74. A supplement on supplementary material online. 74. 13. How to write the discussion. 75. Discussion and verbiage. 75. Components of the discussion. 76. Factual relationships. 76. Noting strengths and limitations. 77. Significance of the paper. 78. Defining scientific truth. 78. 14. How to state the acknowledgements. 80. Ingredients of the acknowledgements. 80. Being courteous. 80. 15. How to cite the references. 82. Rules to follow. 82. Electronic aids to citation. 83. Citations in the text. 83. Reference styles. 84. Name and year system. 85. Alphabet number system. 85. Citation order system. 86. Titles and inclusive pages. 87. Journal abbreviations. 87. Some trends in reference format. 88. Examples of different reference styles. 88. Citing electronic material. 89. One more reason to cite carefully. 89.